Hey guys, it's Erica, and holy moly, it has been a really long time since I've filmed anything, but most importantly, it's been a really long time since I've filled a plan with me because the last few videos I talked about, I was in a bullet journal, and I still technically am, and I'm just kind of bullet journaling on the side and not really like capturing it like I used to. I'm not really sharing it on my Instagram or my blog or even here, obviously. Life got really crazy now that we now have 2 toddlers in the house, now that Penny is 14 months and Gabby is 3. So things have been really crazy. Life's changed quite a bit. But today I wanted to come back and start doing Plan With Me videos using my Hobonichi Weeks Planner. This planner has become like my main memory planner. It is my main memory keeper. I do use an A6 Stalogy for my daily planning. The A6 is definitely my go-to planner. I have it in a Stella Foxy Fix Perfect Fit. It is the English version for 2019. I did buy the original for 2020, so I do use this every single day. I did take a break for a few months, and I tried a B6 Stalogy as well as an A6 Stalogy, but I ended up coming back to my Hobonichi, and in general, I just really love the Hobonichi planners. So since this seems to be like my most popular planner and the one that I share the most on Instagram, I thought I would do a plan with me. I generally plan backwards, meaning I plan in my A6 and then I go back and back plan in here after the fact, but I do always lay down my stickers at the beginning of the week. I put in the things that I know that are occurring in my planner, and then I'll fill each day in as the week progresses, since it's more of a capturing type planner versus a pre-planned planner. So I just wanted to show you that. The cover I have is Foxy Fix. It's a Sugar Lilac Perfect Fit with the crisscross pockets. I do have this washi card from No White Space Stickers. I have this little paper die cut cardstock from Michaels, and then this is cardstock from Print Pression. This is the Scarlet, I think is the color, the Scarlet April Start Hobonichi Weeks. The dividers I have in here are type A for Alexa. And then what else? Oh, these bookmarks are from Lily and Lolico. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. This is my Hobonichi sticker album. This is from Sweet Ava's paper. I went really crazy at the beginning of the year and bought a ton of spring themed kits and summer themed kits, and I bought way more than I had weeks, so I will definitely have a lot of kits for next year. But some kits, like some of these, I think I can kind of pass off for fall. Like this might pass for fall, this could pass for fall, things like that. So I do have a few fall things, but the kit I want to use today is this one from RaspberylDesigns. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I like to do is I actually like to trace around the lines and extend my weeks all the way across the page. So the pen I'm using today is the Tombow Mono Drawing Pen in 03. This is my all-time favorite pen for the Hobonichi Weeks. Like, I highly recommend this to anybody. It dries like insanely fast, and if you've ever tried pens in the Hobonichi, it can be a absolute disaster. Also, if my voice sounds like it's trailing, it's because I'm looking for my ruler. Okay, I cannot find my favorite ruler to save my life, so I'm going to use my T-square, which this thing is quite large for this planner, but it's just going to have to do. So essentially what I do is I like to trace out the lines because I just really like them very bold when I'm planning out my week, so that it really separates the areas and the days. I feel like it gives the spread a little bit more dynamic. And like I said, it defines the days. And as you can see, there's a little bit of jumping as I'm drawing these lines because I have stickers underneath. But that is okay. Also, I kind of can't really see what I'm doing because I'm actually filming around my camera. I used to film with my giant DSLR camera, which is great, but when I want to film in a small desk space, I don't really have the space for the tripod and the camera. So I'm actually trying to film this with my phone, so hopefully this turns out okay, because this is the first time I've ever filmed a YouTube video with my phone. I generally like to film with my DSLR. I have filmed Instagram TV videos with my phone, but that's a little bit different than what I consider YouTube quality videos, but you never know. We'll see if this turns out okay or not. And if it doesn't, then I guess we'll just have to go back to the old school DSLR camera. It's just so big. Just like incredibly huge, and it takes up a lot of space. And granted, it does film phenomenal video quality, but I wanted to be able to film really last minute. And having my phone kind of gives me that opportunity. And like I said, I like to extend my days all the way across both pages. People were like really shocked by this, but I am not the first person to do this. I've seen other people do it. I can't recall who I saw first do this. I saw like maybe 1 or 2 people do it, and after that I've been doing it ever since. Some weeks I don't. Like if I have certain kits, like this one where it's a full cover, I don't extend the page. Or like this, I had these flags. That one I extended across. This one I extended across. This one, this kit didn't really lend itself to extend itself across because it had these large boxes. So it just depends on what comes in the kit. If the kit supports it, or if the kit is really simple, then I generally will try to extend the page. In this case, this kit is pretty simple. It just has just a few functional items. So for that, I can really do whatever I want with it. So in this case, I'm going to do the full extension. So with that, I do have some tweezers that'll help me put down the date covers, but I like to put down my bottom washi first. And I don't always put it directly on the line. Kind of leave a little bit of a gap. And then the other side. Oh, that is super crooked. And I ripped the page. Start on this side. And it's still crooked. It's just gonna have to do. Like I said, I'm like recording around my camera. The camera's like right here, so I'm like standing around it, so it's a little awkward, which is why I got the tweezers. Normally I wouldn't use tweezers to put down my dates, but for today I am. I realize these are slightly wider, so I'm just gonna put it along this line. And that's fine. And I'm just using the previous sticker I laid down to reference the one above it, but I realized I put my Sunday one way too high. Ah, and I'm ripping my sticker paper. It's okay, guys. It's okay. No one will notice, right? At least I hope not. I will know. You will know. So I guess it doesn't matter. We know. We know the secret that I ripped the page, but hopefully it'll stay down. So much for using tweezers. Do you guys use tweezers in your Hobonichi? I know for me, some of these stickers, like particularly the date headers and some of the checklists and even like the tiny icons, like you kind of need tweezers to really line them up. And you get, you know, more precision, I think, if you use tweezers, because you have more opportunity to line up your sticker when you don't have, you know, your fingers in the way. Just my 2 cents. Okay, that works. Okay, so now that I've got my base complete, I'm going to go ahead and put down things that I know that's going on. So we have a birthday on Saturday, so I'm going to use, you know what, I'm going to use the half box on this side. That is my daughter friend Emily's birthday. And then Sunday, we want to go to the beach, so I'm going to use another half box for that guy. And I'll do it on opposing ends. And then Thursday, my daughter has dance, so I'm going to put that on the inside. Actually, I'm going to put it on this side because it's an afternoon thing. And then we have the groomers. What day do we have the groomers? Did my husband say Thursday? Now I can't remember. Maybe he said Wednesday. I think it's Wednesday. I'm going to put it down for Wednesday. If it's not Wednesday, then we'll just use this box for something else. Oh, and I realized I forgot to create my line for meals. So let's go ahead and do that. I do like to track meals, and I'll just do it right here on the inside since I already put these outer box here. And this will be meals. That works. And then there's a meals sticker. So then I will use that to mark. And then if you can tell, I am a little sick, so my voice sounds kind of yucky and I keep coughing and I keep having to like mute the video. So if you notice there's like a dead silence, it's probably because I'm coughing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this pink sticker because I'm filming today. And then I will try to edit and upload it. You know what, we'll try to also edit and upload it today as well. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put this down. Oh, I almost ripped it again. I kind of did. I don't know if you can tell. So we'll use that for edit, upload. And I'm not at work, obviously, because I don't feel very good. But I figured this would be a good opportunity to film, which now I'm thinking about it is a terrible plan because I'm like sweating now. I'm like dying sweating. And then I'm just randomly putting these flags down because I really don't know what days I'm going to have checklists. But I like to use, let's see. I don't like when the checklists are right next to each other. So I'll put these here and I'll put this one here. I have this weird thing where I like to stagger because it creates dynamic on the page. It makes me feel better about how I set things up. And I tend to have more checklists during the week than I do on the weekend. The weekends are more like random. And then I think that's it. And then I do know I need to go to my post office on Thursday. I expect a bunch of packages to come over the next 3 days, but I like to only go there once. So I'll do the mail sticker for Thursday. And I think that's it. So that is it for my setup for this week. I'm going to go ahead and write down some stuff using my pens that I have. I use the Tombow Fudenosuke brush calligraphy pen. And then, like I said, I use the Tombow to write. So for things that I know, I'm going to go ahead and write them in. Okay, so that is it. We do plan to go to the beach, but just in case we don't go to the beach and we just do a splash pad, I'm not going to write anything in there just yet. And then if the dog groomer isn't on Wednesday, then I don't want to write dog groomer in there and then it'd be totally wrong because then I can just repurpose that for something else. So yeah, I think that's it for today. And then I do want to put plan in here and put Hobo Weeks. And that'll be it. So that is it for my plan with me for this upcoming week. Like I said, I like to fill out my planner as I go throughout the week. So all this stuff will get filled in as the days go on. And then I always show my completed spread on Instagram. So if you're not currently following me, my Instagram is Erica G Designs. And that is it. Also, if you didn't know, I am an admin to the Hobonichi Lovers Facebook group. So if you guys love Hobonichi, all types of Hobonichis, the Cousin, A6, Weeks, and all the Fobonichi planners, because I do have a print pression Weeks. Let me know if you guys ever want to see me do a plan with me in this thing, because I do have this planner as well. So if you guys want to see anything in this planner, let me know. But that is it. Thank you guys for sticking around with me, even though I haven't been around, and checking out my plan with me's. And of course, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for joining me. And if you guys want to see more videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button in the down bar. And of course, I'll link all the shops in my down bar, as well as coupon codes for the ones that I have. This was Sweet Ava's paper. This is Frank Hearts You. This is also Sweet Ava's paper. These sticker kits are from RaspberylDesigns, and then I will most likely include stickers from my shop later. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.